21st Century, Cal Mag Zinc Plus D3, 90 tablets. Product Overview Description. Dietary supplement. The important trio of minerals plus vitamin D3 promotes strong bones and teeth. 21st Century. For a healthier future. Laboratory tested, guaranteed quality. Cal Mag Zinc Plus D3. Calcium, magnesium and zinc plus vitamin D3 promotes strong bones and teeth. This important trio plus D3 also helps to maintain normal heart and muscle functions. 21st Century offers you 100% of recommended daily value in 3 easy-to-swallow Cal Mag Zinc Plus D3 tablets. Suggested use. Take 3 tablets daily with any meal for maximum daily results, or as directed by your healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Other ingredients: cellulose, stearic acid, cross-carbamylose sodium, magnesium silicate, polyvinyl alcohol, silicon dioxide, titanium dioxide, magnesium stearate. Gluten-free. No added sugar, yeast, preservatives, or artificial flavors. Warnings. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.